Meditation, a word often misunderstood, a practice often misrepresented, but what if we told you, you've been doing it all wrong? Let's delve into the wisdom of the renowned spiritual teacher Osho. It's no secret that meditation in its many forms is a practice shrouded in mystery and misconception. Some imagine it as a magical cure-all, others dismiss it as mere daydreaming. But what if we told you that the essence of meditation is much simpler, yet infinitely more profound? Enter Osho, a spiritual teacher who dared to challenge conventional wisdom. He presented an approach to meditation that strips it down to its bare essentials, removing the mysticism and emphasizing its practical, everyday relevance. Osho's meditation is not about achieving a heightened state of consciousness or unlocking hidden powers. It's about being unoccupied, about stepping away from the constant hustle of our lives. It's about being a silent observer, a witness to the ceaseless chatter of our minds, much like a bystander watching the world go by. So, how does one achieve this delightful state of presence? Osho provides us with a clear roadmap. Osho's approach to meditation is not about complex rituals or exhausting exercises. It's rather simple yet profoundly impactful. The essence of his approach can be distilled into easy-to-understand steps. The first step is observing the mind. Sounds simple, right? But it's an endeavor that requires immense patience and practice. It's about giving your mind the freedom to roam, while you sit back and watch. It's like watching a movie, where your thoughts are the characters, and you are the audience. You don't judge or interfere, you simply observe. The next step is to let go of thoughts. Now this doesn't mean fighting your thoughts or trying to suppress them. Rather, it's about acknowledging them and then letting them pass. It's like watching clouds in the sky. They come and they go. You're just the sky, unchanging and unaffected. The third step is being present. It's about embracing the here and now, not worrying about the past or the future. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of this very moment, as if time has paused and nothing else matters. And finally, we incorporate breathwork into the practice. Breathing is a natural process, yet it holds immense power in quieting the mind. Pay attention to your breath, its rhythm, how it feels. Let it anchor you in the present moment and push away the clutter of thoughts. Remember, this isn't a race. There's no rush. It's about gently guiding yourself towards a higher level of consciousness and inner peace. It's about finding joy in your own presence and experiencing a relaxed state of consciousness. Remember, Osho's meditation is not about doing, but about being. It's about being a silent observer. Now that we've understood the how, let's look at the why. What are the benefits of practicing Osho's approach to meditation? A primary advantage of Osho's meditation technique is the cultivation of inner peace. This peace isn't a fleeting sensation or a temporary escape from life's tumult. Instead, it's a deep-seated tranquility that stays with us, providing a quiet harbor amidst the storm of everyday life. It's an inner sanctuary that we can retreat to at any moment, finding solace and strength in our own presence. Osho's approach also opens the door to higher consciousness. As we learn to witness our thoughts without judgment or attachment, we begin to see ourselves and the world around us more clearly. A veil lifts, and we perceive reality in a way we never thought possible. We discover a profound connection to everything and everyone, a unity that dissolves our feelings of separateness. But the benefits of Osho's meditation are not just spiritual. They extend to our mental and physical well-being too. Regular practice can reduce stress, enhance focus, and promote emotional balance, fostering a sense of overall happiness and contentment. It can improve our sleep, boost our immune system, and even slow the aging process. It's like a natural remedy, a universal panacea that brings harmony to our mind, body, and soul. And then there's the joy, the sheer delight of being in the moment, unoccupied and free. Free from the past's regrets, the future's worries, and the present's endless demands. Free to simply be, to savor the here and now, to revel in the magic of existence. In the end, Osho's meditation is more than a technique, it's a way of life, a path to self-discovery and self-transformation. It's a journey into the heart of who we are, a journey that can enrich our lives in ways we can hardly imagine. In the words of Osho, meditation is the key to opening the doors of mysteries. In reality, it is the key to bliss and tranquility. So we've taken a deep dive into the ocean of Osho's wisdom on meditation. But let's resurface and breathe in the key points one more time. Osho's approach to meditation is not about occupying the mind, but about being a witness to it. It's about delighting in your own presence and experiencing a relaxed state of consciousness. Remember, as Eckhart Tolle also advocates, observing the mind can access a higher level of consciousness and inner peace. Exercises to let go of thoughts, being present, and incorporating breath work can further aid in quieting the mind. The benefits of practicing Osho's method are profound. It's not just about finding inner peace, but also about reaching a higher level of consciousness. With Osho's guidance, you're now equipped to embark on your own meditation journey. Remember, the path is within you, waiting to be discovered.